Let's go back to the beginning. So this is to on the request of our subscriber to how to play the Wish You Were Here. So the chords is like this. Yeah, so first chords is this. This is drop D. Then you're going to press the second fret, third string from the top. So this one here. So you're only going to strum this 3 strings here. And then you're going to press this fourth fret, fourth string. And then you're going to press this fifth string, second fret, fifth string. So again, and then the next chord is B, D, then E, B, E, B, and D, E, and then again, and then because this is drop D, this is F, and this is A. Then you're going back to A again, but there's this drop. I think this is a D and E sound. And then when you start singing, I dig my toes into the sand. The ocean looks like 1,000 diamonds across the whole blanket. I'm in against the wind, pretending I am weightless. And in this moment I am happy. I wish you were here. There you go. That's the Wish You Were Here by Incubus. So easy. This is bonus round. things I'll learn.